Hey y'all, it's Christy with Christy's Custom Creations, and I know it's been a hot minute since I've posted a tutorial or a video, but I am back. I needed a little bit of a break. So today we are going to sublimate some of these beautiful, the double-walled snow globe glass tumblers. So to get started, I've got I think it's a 15-ounce snow globe glass tumbler. It's got a hole in the bottom for filling it with your glitter and your liquid later. So in this video, we're not going to be filling it with the glitter or the liquid. I am actually going to have another video where I try out multiple different kinds of liquids to put inside the tumblers, because I'm doing 4 different tumblers. Or I say tumblers, the snow globes. I'm doing 4 of them. So we'll fill them in another video. So right now I've got 4 different images that I found on Etsy. One does have a bad word in it, so if you're offended by bad words, please just move along. This one is a chicken one. It says Rise and Shine Mother Cluckers, and it is so cute. If you know me, you know I have chickens, and I'm pretty much obsessed with my chickens. I love my girls. So I've got this, I got it on Etsy. I can't remember what it's called, but it helps you to pull that wrapping tighter, the paper, the sublimation paper. It helps to pull it tighter around the tumbler as you are, to get a really good tight fit. And I will have that link down in the description box below. This thing is really, really neat. And it was very, very handy after I had my elbow surgery. I'm for a female, I'm pretty strong. So I usually don't have a problem wrapping it, but wrapping these cups or even a sublimation tumbler or anything like that. But just to get that initial piece of tape down and have it really super tight, it's very helpful, like I said, especially after my elbow surgery. So if you're somebody that needs help having a little bit of a stronger grip to get this paper wrapped around these tumblers really tight, that is a great item. Like I said, I can't remember what it's called, but I will have it linked down in the description box below with a description of it and the name of it and everything. So I just put 5 pieces of tape down, and then I'm putting 1 long strip along the seam, and then I've got my little squeegee with the felt tip on it, and I'm just gonna really get in there and press down on it hard to make sure it's got a really good seal there and at the seam, because we don't want a big seam left over. So these are the other images that I'm gonna put on some tumblers. I'm not gonna make you sit and watch me put all of them on, but so these are the 4, and I'm not gonna list the measurements in here or where I got these snow globe tumblers from, because they were all 4 different sizes. Like each individual cup I had to measure separately, and it was very frustrating because, you know, most tumblers that you sublimate, you know, they're the 8.2 by 9.3 for the 20-ounce sublimatable tumblers. Not this. These tumblers, like I said, they were all 4 different sizes, and they all 4 came from the same company. But I have ordered more tumblers from Stainless Steel Depot, so I will have those coming in soon, and when I get those in, I'm definitely going to be playing with those. So I've got my temperature set at 400, and what we're going to do is we are going to press 120 on one side, and then we're going to rotate it 180 degrees, and we're going to press 120 on the other side. So every time I put the tumbler in my press, I do this the same way every time I press a tumbler. I put it in with the seam kind of facing me, but down just a little bit, and then we press it. We're going to press it for the 120 seconds here, let it do its thing, and then we'll take it out, and like I said just a minute ago, we will rotate it 180 and then press it for another 120 seconds. And y'all, this is just a super quick short video showing how to sublimate them. I'm not going to sublimate all 4 of them in this video because that's a little bit repetitive. So yeah, here I just rotated it 120 degrees, and this heat press here, I've done a video on it before. It's an EENOUR heat press, and y'all, I love this press here. I love it, and I've been using it for a while, and it has not failed me yet. I love this thing. It also came with the gloves that I'm wearing in the video. Make sure you wear heat gloves when you're doing this, because these cups get super hot, and you do press the glass tumblers longer than you do the metal ones, because the glass doesn't, I guess, conduct the heat as easily as the metal tumblers do. So while it's hot, you're going to remove the tape and the paper. It helps to prevent your paper from sticking to your cup or your tumbler, whatever you're pressing. But this video is for the glass snow globes. So we unwrapped it and it turned out wonderful. So y'all stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified for my next video, because the next video we are going to fill all 4 of these tumblers with, or these snow globe glass tumblers with glitter, and then 4 different types of filler liquid to see what we like best out of them. And y'all, they turned out so pretty. I put a piece of white paper in there so you could really see the design on them and how cool they look. So look at those. I just love them. I love the Rise and Shine one with the chickens on it because, y'all, I love my chickens. So like I said, stay tuned for the next video because we are going to fill it with liquid and glitter and just see which method we like best. So here we go. I love them, y'all. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. And as always, I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care. Bye.